Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of Canva Black Friday Rush. So you can see this is the front preview of this tool. This tool is totally made for those who are just started or as beginner for Canva tool. Okay, so Canva, I know that most of them you already know about Canva. Okay, Canva is a tool, online free tool to do graphic designing and to do GIFs, to do video and something like that. Okay, you can do logo, you can do everything, artwork, and you can do banners and everything, posts, Insta posts and Facebook posts, everything. Okay, so who are totally new to this Canva, who want to do freelancing, who want to do graphic designing, who want to do image editing, logo making, and want to earn passive money from home, this tool is highly recommended for them. And I am repeating that only for beginners. This I have gone through these tutorials and I just realized that this is for beginners. Okay, so now just let me show you the bonuses which I am giving you is valued $6,397 custom bonuses, which will be given to you totally free once you have brought it from my side. Okay, this tool is literally insane cause the money is very cheap. I will show the money. Okay, now just let me start the review. Okay, so this is the introduction, and the second one is pricing plans. You I can just remember that they will be in this video there will be taught to you to not to go through this Canva Pro. As a beginner, you should go through this Canva normal version. Okay, so and the third one is also a video. There are 7 videos. Okay, and this tool is totally perfect for as its price. Okay, now let me show you the page from where you can get the bonuses and the tool also. So this is the cost of this tool. It is only $4 or $5. Okay, let me just write myself. It is only $5, which is very much cheaper than a big pizza. Okay, so this is the values. Okay, so it was loading, maybe my internet is slow. So this is the content value is 88% cause this is totally for beginner. I have just told you before that this is totally for beginner, that why I have rated is little bit lower, and the value for money is also good, and the total is also good, is 9.1. You can easily afford this if you are a beginner and want to learn Canva and earn from Canva. Okay, so you can click these buttons to go to the tool and the bonuses, and this is the introduction, and this is what is this tool and what are given in this tool. You can go through all of this. This is the product owner. Okay, so this is my word. I highly recommend this for beginner. Okay, not for everyone, not for expert or moderate level. I highly recommend it for beginner. So these are the bonus which costs $6,397 bonuses from my side. It will be given to you totally free once you have brought it from my side. Okay, so the softwares, there are so many softwares I have collected from so many days cause I am working on this field from so many days. And just let me show you, after 50 bonuses I have put here as mega bonuses, which is stuffed with 270 plus bonuses. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, you can see I was just tired, and people has also lesser reading span these days. That's why I have put 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. These all of the 270 plus things are stuffed with softwares and plugins and SEO stuffs, case studies. Okay, something like that, and that will very much help you to earn online in future. Okay, so total 320 plus bonuses will be given to you with this tool. So I think I have given so much data for this tool. Exactly, there is nothing much to say about this tool. Okay, so as its cost is very lower, that's why it is totally good for beginner. Okay, so this is the blue button, and this blue button will be blue button will redirecting you. Okay, to these bonuses once you have brought it from my side. Okay, so you can click this button to go to the software and the bonuses also. So that was the review video. I think that's all for this day. So I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.